Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Canon printer on Windows 11, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Canon printer is powered on and properly connected to your computer. Make sure the printer is connected via USB or to the same Wi-Fi network as your Windows 11 device. On your Windows 11 desktop, click the Start menu located at the bottom left of the screen. In the search bar, type Settings and click on the Settings app when it appears. In the Settings window, select Devices from the left-hand menu. Click on Printers and Scanners in the sidebar. In the Printers and Scanners section, Windows will start searching for available printers. Once your Canon printer appears in the list, click on it. Then, click the Add Device button. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to install the necessary drivers. After the installation is complete, confirm that your printer is set as the default printer if desired. To check your printer status, go back to the Printers and Scanners section. Click on your Canon printer from the list for additional settings and options. You can print a test page to ensure everything is working correctly. To do this, click on Manage and then select Print a Test Page. If the test page prints successfully, your printer setup is complete. If you encounter any issues, refer to Canon's support website for troubleshooting tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.